Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to enable the palm gesture for selfies in your brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. So at first we need to open the camera application, and here, as you can see, we are in the selfie mode. Here we have to tap these three squares and tap this gear icon. Here scroll down till you see the shooting methods, and now show palm. Let's leave it enabled. If you leave it enabled, as you can see, in a moment we can just show our palm and everything will be nice. As you can see, shooting methods is in the general. Now we can go back to selfie, hand, 3, 2, 1, selfie. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.